Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a tornado warning for northern Madison County in north-central Alabama, south-central Moore County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Lincoln County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Franklin till 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Hazel Green, or 7 miles northwest of Meridianville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Funnel clouds have been previously reported with this storm. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Fayetteville around 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Mulberry, Plevna, Elora, Bellevue, Boonville, Skinham, Smithland, Molino, Flitsville, and Fisk. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Madison, Alabama, and Lincoln, Tennessee.